We're going to review on chapter 7 muscles of the forearms and the hands. Many trigger points in the forearms. We actually don't have a lot of awareness or sensitivity. We don't have the awareness of how much our muscles in the forearms work. They hold the whole day. They hold the phone or the keyboard or the wheel. And these muscles, they take a lot of tension. It's a hidden tension. We are not aware of it until we touch these muscles. So we're going to take a look at Garudasana. It's the eagle pose. I like to say sometimes that I call it digital walk. So through the tip of the fingers, I reach into the forearms. I'll show you how I do it. Eagle pose. It's named the eagle pose because my eyes now need to work like the eyes of an eagle, as my hands are the nose of the eagle and my eyes can see the whole range, the whole wide view. Touching many trigger points in my arms and legs. And as I bring the hands crossing the mid-section of the body, as well the legs crossing the mid-section of the body, watch what's happening to my back when I do that. So my back starts to widen, my upper back starts to widen, my lower back starts to widen. So as I become narrow in the front, my back starts to wide. Let's see that on Rotem. So, eagle pose. Come into the pose and let's show them. So it's a pose of balance, and we already said that balance goes together with concentration. You cross the center line of the body, which activates the brain a bit differently. You can feel the muscles of the leg working, just like in Utkatasana. It's a very similar pose. Slide the buttocks down and take the arms slightly up. Up, 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 up. And back to Tadasana. Let the pose soak into the body. So when you come out of the pose, don't wiggle and don't brush it out. Let it soak in until there's no memory. So many people can enjoy this pose doing it with the wall, just to get the balance, get the strength in the legs better. So let's come into the pose. I think that 90% or 85% of the population cannot cross the legs like Rotem is doing. Don't feel bad for yourself if your legs stay like this. Just walk as you press the legs together. We talked about oppositions. Teach the left knee pushing to the left and the right knee pushing to the right. So the legs are compressing and creating more oomph. Okay?